How to fix downloaded files not showing up in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. So first you need to open up your browser and then click on these three vertical dots on the top right hand side. And then you want to go to Downloads section. So to find your downloaded files, you will simply look for the file that you've downloaded and then click on the folder logo next to it. And that should open up where the file exists or where it is downloaded, and it should be hovered like this one right here. By default, it's usually saved on downloads folder. So if you don't see the downloads folder from here under this PC, all you need to do is click on the start menu and then search for downloads like this, downloads, and it should open up this folder. You can open it directly and it will open up the downloads folder, and in there you can find your downloaded files. And if the browser is preventing you from downloading the file and deleting it immediately, you want to open up the settings and then go to privacy, which should be right here, privacy and settings. And then you want to go to security and then make sure under safe browsing you turn it to non-protection, which is not recommended, but this is only to allow you to download the files and see them in your downloads folder. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.